Hi guys, today we are going to see how to add a size guide in Shopify. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. Here, you can see that there are no different sizes available for this product. So now let's see how to add size variant on product page. So go to the Shopify product page. Find the products you want to edit their size variant. Now here you can add size variant according to product. Click on this, add option like size and color. Here you can see size, color, material, and style. Select size option. Here you can add option like extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large. Now click on done. Here you can see product size variant option according to different size. Add all the product according to their size. And save it. Now go to the product page and refresh it. Here you can see different size variants successfully added on Shopify product page. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.